So I'm going to make two kinds of bagels today from Ancient Grains. This is wheat berries. This is spelt. Grind the wheat berries in this home mill. It's kind of loud. Alright, and so now what we have, as you'll see, is freshly milled whole wheat. And we're going to do the same thing with the spelt. To warm water, I'm going to add some active dry yeast. And to this yeast, I'm also going to add some honey. To the flour, I'm going to add salt. I'm going to mix all this together. So I mixed my dough for about a minute. So now I've put on a dough hook, and I'm going to knead this for about 2 minutes at low speed. So you want your dough to be smooth and supple. Then you're going to take it and you're going to put it into a ball like so, and then put it in a bowl like this. You're going to oil it on both, an oil bowl, and you're going to oil it both sides, and then turn it over, and you're going to cover this with plastic, and you're going to let it rise for about an hour. Okay, so you want your dough doubled in size like this, and we're just going to turn it out like so onto a non-floured oiled surface, and then what we're going to do is we're going to break this up into equal parts. We've got a double batch here, so I'm going to go for about 16 bagels. And you just take one, and what you're going to do is just roll it up like this. There's different ways to do this, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick my thumb through the hole like this, and then I'm going to get a nice kind of round hole like that, and just set that out like that. You want to make sure the hole's big enough so that when they rise a little bit more, the hole doesn't close. Okay. These are some seriously ugly bagels. Okay, so as you see, the bagels have started to rise again, and so now we're going to boil. I've got some boiling water over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bagel. I'm going to drop it in the water like so. And we're going to go about 30 seconds on each side. That's a couple of very big bagels. Do a flip like so. And that is a big bagel. And then once we've got them flipped, let me flip this one. Ow! Take it out and put it right over here to drain. Okay. Alright, so after you've cooked them, you want to go about 12 minutes and then rotate them and do 12 more minutes until they're nice and browned. And you just pull them out of the oven like so. They're ugly, but they should be pretty tasty.